It's time for Nutrition Weekly, brought to you by United Supermarkets. I'm Chad Hasty, and in studio with me right now is corporate dietitian for the United Family of Stores, Brenda Duby. Hey, Brenda.
Hey, how are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing well. Hey, I know it's time for back to school. We've been talking about the kiddos. Let's not forget about those college students.
That's right. They're coming back too.
That's right. So welcome back to all the college students that are getting ready to move in. I've got some tips and tricks for them as well. I myself have a daughter in college.
Awesome.
So these are tips and tricks that we use because sometimes she gets tired of dorm foods. So keeping things in stocked for them, like they sell the single serving cups of rice that's already cooked. All they have to do is warm it in a microwave for like a minute.
Yeah.
And they're good to go for some quick rice. And then they have little freezers or fridges in there, maybe keep a little baggies of, so we talked last week about the rotisserie chicken, divide it up into little small snack size bags, and they can do that. Maybe keep some condiments in the fridge, a little bit of soy sauce or something like that. And they can shake it all together. Cheese sticks are another great one for them to keep. They can keep those in their freezer as well, throw them in their backpack.
Love those.
You're good to go along the way. So those are really, really great ways to go. And those, like the snack breaks, we have the Lucerne version, the Sargento ones that have like little nuts and cheese with them as well. And then to really help kick things off, our store on 19th and Quaker at Market Street is going to have a college comeback event this weekend, the 24th and 25th, starting at 11. And I mean, it is going to be an event. They are going to have everything. You're going to be able to, first of all, hatch green chili. I can't stop talking about that. You get to go by and do that and sign up for the rewards program, learn how to save on some gas, job fair table if you need a job. And then you're going to have different demos around the store, from the fresh cut fruit to delis, Starbucks, all kinds of stuff for them to learn great stuff around the store.
All right. That's great. Thanks, Brenda.
Thank you.